Hi, third speaker, Professor Vijay Prakash, former professor of anthropology, Department of Anthropology, Ranchi University. Professor Prakash, please,
Namaskar,
I invite you.
am I audible?
He is talking about tribal health. Professor Prakash is highlighting about tribal health, which is a very major issue among the tribal community. Thank you very much.
I am audible?
You are audible, sir.
Okay. Then, uh, मैडम सलीना ने वो सब कह दिया जो हम शुरू में कहना चाहते थे, तो कुछ बचा नहीं। जो बचा खुचा था वो ग्रेगरी ने कह दिया। अब मेरे लिए कुछ बचा नहीं था, तो हमने सोचा कि हम एक छोटे से डायमेंशन पर बात करें, बड़े पर नहीं। तो इसीलिए मैंने सोचा कि चलिए ट्राइबल हेल्थ पर बात करते हैं। इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट तो बहुत हो रहा है, लेकिन हेल्थ की तरफ कोई ध्यान नहीं दे रहा है। तो नाउ माय टॉपिक इज दैट ट्राइबल हेल्थ इश्यूज एंड चैलेंजेस. Mr. Chairman, sir, and friends, I'll be speaking on this, and my slides are before you. We should start with the standard thinking of the global scientists. वैसे जनजातियों का या ट्राइबल का हेल्थ जो है खराब नहीं होता है, उनका स्वास्थ्य हमेशा से अच्छा है, लेकिन कुछ कंटेजियस डिजीजेज हैं वो उनको तंग करते हैं और आइसोलेशन में रहते हैं, दूर रहते हैं, मॉडर्न मेडिकल सिस्टम से दूर हैं, तो इसलिए वो वल्नरेबल ज़्यादा है. नाउ फ्रेंड्स, according to the World Health Organization, that is WHO, the definition of health is a state of complete physical, mental, and social well-being, and not merely the absence of disease or infirmity. The health status of any community is influenced by the interplay of health consciousness of the people, socio, cultural, demographic, economic, educational, and political factors. All these influences health of a person. This presentation presents the overview of the contemporary health situation of tribal in India and suggests the needed intervention toward health empowerment of tribal women, which poses greatest challenge in tribal health. Tribal women must be provided with proper knowledge and health care facilities. Empowerment would become more relevant if women are educated, better informed, and can take rational decisions. In India, the indigenous people, this term is now in fashion in the world, but India government has not accepted it, are referred to as Adivasi, Banvasi, Girivasi, Moolvasi, with several terms, but not by their own name. Their own name is Gond, Urao, Munda. Before independence, they were known as Munda Jati, Urao Jati, like that. Not as tribe, but as a Jati. But things have changed in modern India. Now, tribal, as pointed out by Gregory, the tribal peoples constitute 8.2% of national total population. In the northeastern state of Arunachal Pradesh, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland, 90% tribal population. In the remaining northeast states of Assam, Manipur, Sikkim, and Tripura, tribal population between 20 to 30%. Central Indian states have the country's largest tribal population, roughly 75% of the total tribal population of the globe. The health status of tribal population is very poor and worst of primitive tribes because of the isolation, remoteness, and being largely unaffected by the developmental process going on in India. One of the most marginalized communities in India are the tribal communities, who, despite a special enabling provisions for them in the Constitution, a legal framework for the implementation of these provisions, and several targeted public policy initiatives, have continued to suffer deprivations of different kinds. In other words, the rights guaranteed to tribals are not given to them. Health seeking behavior. The common beliefs, traditional customs, myth, practices related to health and disease in turn influence the health seeking behavior of tribal people. Not only tribal people, us also. Health is an essential component of the well being of mankind and is a prerequisite for human development. If general health of an average non tribal Indian is inferior to the Western and even many Asian country counterparts, the health of an average Indian tribal is found to be in a bad shape. In developing country like India, with various cultures and with different languages and world's second largest country in population, the impact of these social and cultural aspects on institutional deliveries is important as India has the largest number of births in the world, 27 million, and with high maternal mortality of 300 to 500 per 1 lakh births. This is about 20% of the global burden. Hence, progress in the reduction in the maternal mortality